Introducing Daewoo's side-by-side refrigerator, new X600 series. Every little detail has been designed with you in mind. The slim arched handles are ergonomically designed so that its grips fit right into your hand. The water dispenser offers fresh water and ice with just a simple push of the lever. The control panel allows you to adjust the temperature of the refrigerator and freezer to your liking. With just a simple touch of a button, you can select from ice cube, crushed ice, and chilled water. The home bar allows for easy access to your favorite food and drinks with no temperature loss. We've come up with a new cooling system that achieved this model its AA energy rating. It's energy efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. The bottom of the pockets are designed with diamond-shaped patterns to give a dazzling look inside. Furthermore, the refrigerator has large pockets that allow for easy organization. LED lights are installed so that every corner is lit up, making it easier for you to find your food. The express cooling space allows you to chill your favorite beverage in a shorter period of time. The detachable water tank connects to the dispenser and can be filled by pouring water straight into the tank. Keep your vegetables and fruits in perfect condition with our vegetable case. The Magic Cool Zone optimizes moisture level to capture the freshness and crispiness. The new X600 and Q600 II series, designed to fit your kitchen, your lifestyle. Value beyond imagination. Daewoo Electronics.